Now I'm going to talk to you a little about cleaning your glasses, both metal and plastic frames, with the cloth. Let me tell you a little bit about the cloths that your eyeglass provider carries. They're microfiber. Okay, so first thing is that these cloths can be laundered, though you do not dry them, because if you dry them in the dryer, you'll probably wind up melting the microfibers in them. So that's the first thing. Care for the lens care kit, actually. So when you're cleaning a set of glasses, you want to keep your fingers away from the lenses. So what I like to do is hold on to the temples, keep them folded, and hold on to the temples. Just gently kind of go over I go from the edges in, so I work my way around the edge and into the interior of the lens. Okay? And this way you avoid smudging your glasses if you have your hands here. Undoubtedly, you're going to fold over, you'll slip, and you'll put your fingerprint back on them. The lens care is the same for metal and plastic. It doesn't make any difference. Just hold on to the backs, the temple pieces in a folded manner, and then just go over it, exterior and then into the interior. And that's how you would care for your lenses in a metal or a plastic frame.